Today we got the iPhone X Max or 10 Max. The customer told me when he press in the middle of the phone, that phone turned off. And the phone also turned off while it's in his pocket. He told me that this problem is keep happening to him. He also tried to push on the middle of the screen and the phone turned off. I can't do that, but we can see the glitch while we're pressing on the screen. So that means the battery somehow is blown and causing this problem. Anyway, we are just going to open the phone and we will see what causing this problem. For the experience, it's 99% it's with a problem with the battery because he press on the screen and the screen has nothing to do to turn off the device. It can shut down the screen and not turning off the device. You saw when I pressed on the battery connector, the phone turned off. So we can conclude that the connector of the battery is damaged or have something close to it. I'm going to test one or three more to see that the problem is caused by the battery and nothing else. So if the device is turned off, let's now power it on. Alright, we power it on. Alright. When I pressed the connector, the phone turned off. Power it in again. We need to test. Alright, press there. Alright, the phone turned off again. So let's now remove the battery. I recommend to remove the screen before removing the battery. It seems this is the original battery of the phone. Remember, replacing this battery will cause information in the display that it's not a genuine battery, so you need to have a device to read and write the data on the old battery to the new battery. This is what Apple does. So if you don't have this machine, you won't be able to remove this message. This message won't be affect the phone. It's just will pop up on the window. So you can just do it or you can just leave it. Be careful with that flex cable with the ear speaker. And be careful not to touch the camera sensors or the illuminator flood, because we don't need to make the Face ID not working. This is very, very important. I'm going to put some alcohol under the battery. There is some flex cable under it, and also I don't need to damage these cables. The alcohol will not damage any cables of the phone. So when you remove the battery, be careful not to damage or cut any flex cable under it. We may cause critical damage, so be careful. Alright, the battery is out. This is just a sticker. We didn't damage anything of the flex cables down there. Just to be known. I'm going to connect the battery to make sure it fits on position before we put the screen connectors in. Right, remove the battery connector, then plug the screen, then make the test. Don't make any connections while the battery plugged in. This is very important. Any short circuits could be happening. Alright, let's now power on the device. Alright, we have the Apple logo in there. Let's press on the connector of the battery. Alright, the phone still functioning. So we can conclude that the problem was just with the battery. I'm going now to assume that this device has been fixed. We just need to replace the battery and assemble everything back as it was. Make sure to put some adhesive or glue under the battery. I'm going to put some glue. This is a black thick adhesive. I'm going to put 3 points and that's it. No need to put too much adhesive. Alright, make sure the battery is in its position before assembling, and then you can connect the screen and the loudspeaker and you can end your maintenance or repair. So this was for today. If you have any questions, you can just leave it in the comments below. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.